In this video, we'll generate the trend line and exponential function of k raised to the power x and its Taylor-Maclaurin series sum. We begin with the value of k, which is data validation, list of items from 0.2 up to 5. So we can start from 0.2 up to 5. So start with 0.2. And the value of the ln of k, negative 1.69. Now we continue with the function itself. Array formula, k raised to the power x. So here we have the trend line and the exponential function. So at 0.4, 0.5, so this is negative 0.693, which is the logarithm of k. We continue with the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum, which is the summation of a times x to the power n, where the value of n is from 0 to infinity. And the value of a, it is array formula, ln of k raised to the power n divided by factorial of n. And now we can complete the series sum expansion. Array formula, series sum of the x values raised to the power n, where n starts from 0, incremented by 1. And the coefficient will be this range. So here we have the trend line of the expansion in the dotted line. These are the dotted lines. While in blue, we have the function itself of k raised to the power x. And we can complete with the logest. Logest, we regress it exponentially, data y and data x. And enter. So the intercept is 1 and it is 0.5. That is the coefficient, first coefficient. So which is the logarithm 0.5 is 0.693. Likewise, the expansion, logest, data y and data x. Enter. Let's start with k equals 0.2. K is 0.2. We have 1 times e to the minus 1.61x. They're the same. K equals 0.4. 1 times e to the minus 1.916x. K is 0.5. 1 times e to the minus 0.693x. And 0.8, that's 1 times e to the minus 0.223. Then we increase that to 1. So that's y equals x. They're the same. At 1.25, so 1 times e to the 0.223, so 1.25, that's our value of k. And k equals 2. So 1 times e to the power of 0.693x, and the logarithm of 2 is 0.693. K equals 2.5. So that's 1 times e to the 0.916x, and 2.5, this is the value of 2.5, logarithm is 0.916. K equals 5. 1.61, that's 1 times e to the power 1.61x, and the logarithm of 5 is 1.61. This completes the use of Taylor-Maclaurin series sum function and the logest exponential regression to show the trend line of k raised to the power x and its expansion.